In this video, we are going to learn about how we can change our any data type that is a string or hexadecimal into an integer. So let's dive into our video. The first line, I will import the sys module, which provides access to some variables used or maintained by interpreter and functions that interact with interpreter. After that, I will create a variable hexadecimal, and I'll assign the string value 0ff, that is equals to the 2255. And in Python, 0x prefix indicates that the value is a hexadecimal number. So after that, I will create another variable, that is the string, and assign a value 24 to that string. That is considered as a string because I write it in inverted commas. And after that, I made another variable that is responsible for conversion from hexadecimal to int, that is the conversion underscore 1. And after that, I use the int function because I want to convert my hexadecimal into an int. So this line converts the hexadecimal string to an integer using the int function, and the second argument 0 indicates that the base should be automatically determined. That's the reason I use the prefix 0. So after that, I create another variable that is conversion underscore 2, and that is responsible for converging my second string into an int. That is similar to the previous line, but the base is automatically determined based on the strings format, and the resulting integer value is assigned to the variable conversion underscore 2. This is how we can do, and after that I will print the conversion underscore 1 and conversion underscore 2 to get the result at my output. So when I run this program, I will get the result for 255 and 24. The second string, the value of the second string remains same, but the size of that will get converted into the int. As I told you that when I run this program, I get the result hex into int 255 and the 24 remains same, but the size of the string gets changed. After that, I will use the dot get size of function to check the size of my string before conversion and after conversion. So let's write a print statement for size before conversion and use the dot get size of and give the hexadecimal that is responsible for giving the size in bytes of hexadecimal variable, and the sys dot get size of function returns the size of an object in memory. This is how we can check any size. We can check the size of any object in the memory. So this line prints the text, the size before conversion followed by the size in bytes. After that, I create another variable for size before conversion, but this time this variable gets the size in bytes of the string variable, and it displays the size of a string object before conversion to an integer. After that, I print the statement for size after conversion, and I will here use the same function dot get size of, but this time this line prints the size in bytes of conversion underscore 1 variable. The variable that I give to this function, it gets the size in bytes of that variable in memory location. So overall, this code snippet demonstrates the conversion of hexadecimal string and a regular string to an integer. It's also shown the difference in memory usage before and after conversion. So when I run this program, you get the main difference between the memory size of both before and after conversion. So this is how we can check any size with the help of dot get size of function. Basically, the int function in Python can accept optional base parameter, which specifies the base radix of the number being converted. So the base parameters allowed you to convert a string representation of a number in a specific base to an integer. By passing 0 to the base parameter, you are instructing the int function to automatically determine the base based on the prefix of the input string. This is how we can check. So let's run our code. First clear the terminal window and then run the code. You will see the difference between both before and after conversion. Size before conversion 53 bytes, 51 bytes, and look at the size after conversion. The size get reduced to 28. This is how we can convert any hexadecimal or any string into an int and reduce the size of that variable. That's all for today's lecture. I will create more videos like this and share more tricks with you. If you have any query, any question related to the topic, you can ask me in comment section. I will give you the response.